Public Schools is committed to educational excellence and recognizes that a key component to maintaining this commitment is based on the quality of our teachers as measured by the Florida Educator Accomplished Practices, otherwise known as FEAPS. Our community expects and our students deserve a highly accomplished and quality teaching staff, and this is why we have worked collaboratively with our union leadership, teachers, and administrators called the IPPES Project Team. The purpose of the IPPES Project Team is to develop, based on Florida statute, a comprehensive evaluation system that reflects a professional teaching culture marked by shared purpose, collegiality, and innovation. This team meets annually to review and recommend revisions to the system. Florida statute requires districts to include specific components in its teacher evaluation system, which should be based and designed to support effective instruction and student learning growth. It must have provisions for continuous quality improvement of educators' professional skills. Teacher evaluations must include performance data from multiple sources and differentiate among 4 levels of performance to include highly effective, needs improvement, and unsatisfactory. Lastly, the evaluation system must include data and indicators for student learning growth. Teacher evaluation criteria, as stated in Florida statute, must include indicators based upon each of the FEAPS. This criteria includes measurements for quality instruction and encompasses the instructional design and lesson planning process, learning environment, instructional delivery, and assessment. Continuous professional improvement is the next element required in this criteria. This includes the design of purposeful professional goals to strengthen instructional effectiveness, use of data-informed research, and multiple data sources to continuously improve effectiveness. The last section of the criteria centers on professional responsibility and ethical conduct, which adheres to the Code of Ethics and the Principles of Professional Conduct of the Education Profession of Florida. The BPS Annual Evaluation of Professional Practices is based on 5 instructional performance appraisal dimensions. As previously noted, these include instructional design and lesson planning, the learning environment, instructional delivery and facilitation, assessment, and professional responsibilities and ethical conduct. These dimensions are measured with both formal and informal observations. They are formative in nature for both the midterm and interim evaluation cycle, and lastly, these observations represent a snapshot of a teacher's professional growth and accomplishment. Professional practices are also measured through the implementation of professional growth plans that are collaboratively developed with the teacher and administrator and include demonstrations of continuous professional growth, clearly defined professional goals, data-informed research to guide improvement, and collaboration with professional colleagues that leads to improved teaching and learning. Aligning with Brevard Public Schools' operational values of commitment, professional teaching culture, reverence for data, and relationship building, the IPPES system strengthens our commitment to the relentless pursuit of teaching methodologies that foster student engagement, critical thinking, self-efficacy, and content mastery.